Guys, we are back. It is so great to see you here this evening. Well, you're going to be watching this on Monday morning, but it is Sunday evening for me here, and I've had a pretty energetic, fun weekend with my son. We ended up playing water balloons and water pistols all yesterday and all day today as well. So, winding down, I'm going to crank out this week's video, and guys, I am super excited about this one here. Photography Talk episode 24. And so let's kick off things today by saying a big thank you to everyone that participated in the last giveaway. You know, it's so much fun to read all your comments and to see how much you guys are engaging with the content that we're putting out on this channel. I'll announce the big winners at the end of this video, and after that, I'll get you the scoop on the next giveaway, which is by far the biggest giveaway that we've ever had yet. Now, on to this week's news. Getty Images announces a grant program to promote photojournalism during the pandemic. Now, photojournalists around the globe have been documenting the pandemic so the rest of us can see the effects of the virus on the global communities. But it's obviously extremely difficult for photojournalists to do the job with the safety restrictions and the travel restrictions and, of course, the loss of income hampering their ability to travel. So to help ease these burdens, Getty Images has created a program called the Reportage Grants. The program is offering 8 grants, each worth $5,000, which will be awarded to photographers that are safely reporting about the pandemic. Getty Images is taking submissions for the grants until Friday, May 15th at midnight Eastern Standard Time. If you'd like to enter, check out the description below for a link to submit your images. Next, Sony patents a lens, okay, get ready for this, that allows you to focus after you've taken the photo. There's a rumor going around that Sony is working on a futuristic lens that will allow you to take a photo, then select the focus later on. The rumor is based on Sony patent that shows a lens with several smaller lenses inside of it. This design would let you take a photo at different focal lengths at the same time, and then it will allow you to select which one of those focal lengths you like the most. The possibilities for this lens is really exciting, but it's important to remember, guys, that this is only a patent and there's not a guarantee that this lens will ever be made. Moving forward, many photographers are considering switching careers thanks to the pandemic. It should be no surprise that a lot of photographers are thinking about new careers after the disastrous financial impacts of not being able to work during the pandemic. A survey that Lens Rental reveals that about 20% of professional photographers and videographers are seriously thinking about leaving the industry for a new job. That's a shocking number. It makes sense though. Survey respondents reported that 80% of their April jobs were canceled and 78% of their May jobs had already been canceled as well. Needless to say, if you're a photographer and the outlook is bleak, my friend, as you can see, you are not alone. Moving forward, camera sales in March were in the toilet worldwide. Last week in Photography Talk episode 23, I talked about sales decline for Sony, Fuji, and other camera manufacturers out of Japan. Well, SIPA numbers show equally bad results for the rest of the world. There was a 53% drop in camera shipments overall and a 58% in shipments on interchangeable lens cameras, and DSLRs suffered the most with 66% drop in shipment. SIPA reports came out on the heels of Canon's first quarterly earnings report, which also looked really bad. Canon's image division saw a net sales decline of 13.9%, but the crazy number is that the image division profits dropped by more than 80% in the first quarter, and Canon's numbers for the second quarter could be even worse. Even if the pandemic magically ended tomorrow, it would take a long time for camera sales to recover. I mean, I don't know that many folks that are currently buying luxury items like cameras, and I suspect it will be months before purchasing of cameras start to see any sort of a rebound. Okay, now for some good news. Here are the lucky winners of our last giveaway. David Joseph, you won a GoPro Hero 8 Black. Cut Tooth Room, you won a GoPro Hero 7 Black. MN Airsoft, you won the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus. Joe Doggo, you won a $100 Adorama gift card. We also have 2 super secret bonuses to give away as a thank you for the incredible responses that we got this giveaway. So, those 2 bonus gifts are $50 Adorama gift cards. There's 2 of them. The first winner is Vid Neeks, and I hope I'm saying your name correctly here. I'm going to put it right here anyways. You won yourself a $50 Adorama gift card. And the next winner, Gorva Bakuchu, you know what, again, I'm gonna put your name right here. You won a $50 Adorama gift card. Each winner also gets a bonus prize, a Octopad. Winners will have 14 days to contact us using the Contact Us form on the Photography Talk website. I'll put a link to the contact form in the description below. Once we verify that you are one of the winners, we'll send your prize out to you. Again, congrats to all the lucky winners. Thank you for making our last giveaway so much fun. Now, who's ready for even more good news? Our next super fantastic, awesome giveaway starts today. Check out these prizes. A 38-inch ViewSonic VP3881 ultra-wide curve monitor, a 34-inch ViewSonic VP3481 curve monitor, a f-stop Lotus Essential bundle with medium slope internal camera unit, a set of Singh-Ray 77mm filters, and this includes a 5, a 10, and a 15 stop ND in one polarizer filter, 2 Colorado Tripod Company Highline 48mm aluminum ball heads, Holdfast HF classic camera strap, and a $100 Adorama gift card. So not only is this the most prizes that we've ever given away in one giveaway, but the total prize value is higher ever before as well. It's over $4,000. As always, entering the giveaway is really simple, but there's a little change in this one, so you might want to pay attention here. Step 1, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Step 2, leave a comment below. In fact, guys, the more of our videos that you watch and leave a comment on, the more chances that you have to win. Step 3, register on Photography Talk and introduce yourself in the forum. That's it, guys. For complete details on the giveaway, including how to register on Photography Talk and how to say hello in our forum, check out the description below. Guys, good luck. If you found this video to be helpful, hit the like button down below. If you are currently not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. While you're at it, smash the hell out of that bell, so therefore you're notified each time we come out with a new video. All right, my friends, I'm going to wind down and you get out there, stay healthy, and create your best shot.